Unit 10, Lessons 5 to 6. Exercise. Feel good. Feel well. Active. Tooth. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. Smile. We do exercise to feel good or well. Exercise. Feel good or feel well. Active. They are active. They do exercise. Tooth. It's tooth. Toothbrush. It's a toothbrush. We use toothbrush to clean our teeth. Toothpaste. It's a toothpaste. We use toothpaste to clean our teeth. We brush our teeth 3 times a day. In the morning, in the afternoon, and before we go to sleep. We can smile well if we keep our teeth clean and healthy. Candies are bad for our teeth. Water is good for our teeth. Toothpaste and toothbrush are good for our teeth. Soda is bad for our teeth. Are they active? Are they being active? Picture 1, the boys are biking. They are being active. Picture 2, the boy is watching TV. He is not being active. Picture 3, they are playing football. They are being active. Picture 4, he is using his cell phone. He is not being active. Picture 5, they are skipping with a rope. They are being active. Picture 6, she is flying a kite. She is being active. Unit 10, Lessons 7 to 8. Late, on time, miss the bus, glad, straw, twig, stick or lolly stick, stripes. He is late. We have to be on time. Don't be late so you will not miss the bus. They are glad. It's a straw. It's made of plastic. Twig. It's a twig. Lolly stick. These are lolly sticks. It's a stripe. Are they on time? He is not on time. The gate is already closed. They are on time. They are on time. They are not on time. They are late. They miss the bus.